Well, folks, I'm out here in the wilderness again. Not so much the wilderness. It's a campground, actually. I've been sick for a few days and had that, I think, that type A influenza. Still got a little voice problem, but I'll be okay. It's 18 degrees. It's sunny and blue sky, a few clouds, but I needed to get out and do some exercise. So this is about the first day I felt good enough to get out and into the wild. So take you along with me on a short little hike through the campground here. So this is out at Lake Red Rock, and this woodland camp lands here. I've walked this campground quite a few times over the years. It's the first time this year. They keep this place in pretty good shape. I'm impressed. I know they've been back up in here and trimming trees and cleaning out branches and stuff and all of that. And, as a lot of you know, I do metal detecting as well as hiking and camping and magnet fishing. So with that being said, I just wanted to share with you that I've gone through this whole campground. I think I said there's 49 campsites here, and there's another spot that's got 20 or 30 that are on down in that direction. But anyway, I have scoured all of these campsites with the metal detector. This is where I first started about 3 years ago, and I came out in the fall after camping was all done, and hiked back up in here because you can't drive in. And so yeah, I walked this whole area. I found lots and lots of money. Well, it doesn't add up to much, but there was a lot of pieces, and a lot of pieces of coins and stuff. I found dog tags, yeah, and other relics, and so it was a lot of fun. So that was my first taste. So I thought I'd come back out here today. The wind's blowing out of the northwest, and that is northwest, that direction. So I got a nice tree-lined timber there that is blocking the wind. So it makes it not as cold, feeling not as cold. So anyway, here I am, walking around the campground, getting some exercise, and I'm enjoying it. Yeah, so as I'm walking down through here, I wanted to just give you a little glimpse of the timber out here. I haven't seen any animals other than squirrels running around, but off there in the distance you can see the shoreline of the lake and beyond. So we'll venture over that way, see if we can get a better look at the ice as I walk up through here. Yep, still walking around here, coming up around to the lake. You can see some vehicles over there, maybe. They're quite a ways away. My GoPro doesn't zoom in, so I can't help you there. But there's somebody out there ice fishing. Take a shortcut here down through the tall grass. Kind of a turnaround here don't know if there's a little boat dock down here or not. We'll go down and see. Yeah, this is the 25th of January. Yeah, this is all the snow that we got. That's all right with me. We just missed the blizzard. Went south of us and then back up through the northeast. And yeah, so some of you people probably got blasted. Yeah, the marina is back off over that way. This is the entrance to it. And out there through the trees, I think you can see a guy out there ice fishing. Don't know if he's having luck today. Hope he does. It's a lot of work to be out there. My apologies. It was so cold out here that my GoPro kept shutting off, so I've lost a lot of footage. So bear with me, I'm going to post it anyway. I'm out here at another location, and there's a small eagle nest right there. I don't think it's inhabited, but you can see it's out here by the lake. Maybe I'll come back out here in the spring and see if there's any eagles there. Let's see what else we can find. Okay, here's another view of the lake. It's all frozen over. See a squirrel running across the ground over there. Look for that. Let's see what else we can see. Coming up here, I think I can see another eagle nest. Right there. That's a bigger one. Wow, there's some pretty big logs up there. I don't know how they do it. They are creatures of the wild and strong. Well, I think that's going to be it for today for me. It's pretty cold out there. The wind's blowing, and I've got some good exercise in. So we'll just see how good this all came out. So hope to see you in the next video. Never know what I'm going to do. But we'll see you in the next one.